Today first question is Monora Island at the shore of. Its correct option is option B, Arabian Sea. Next question, University of Heidelberg is the oldest university of, and the correct option is option A, Germany. The next question, Buali Sina University is located in. Its correct option A, Iran. And the next question is the University of Leiden is the oldest university of, as the correct option is A, it's Netherlands. And the next question, Fraser Island is located in which country? Its correct answer option C, Australia. The next question, Algar waterfalls is present in which country? Its correct answer is option B, Spain. The next question, name the greatest Muslim scientist who collected herbs from Spain to Syria and wrote an outstanding book, Kitab al-Jami fi Adwiya al-Mufarda. And the correct option is option B, Ibn al-Betar. Option B is correct. And the next question, volumeter is used to measure, and the correct option is option B, speed of air. The next question, which of the following non-Muslim countries of OIC? So its correct option is option C, it's both. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।